Hi, everybody. Sorry, no face this time. I just wanted to get on quick and share with you all Paper Pumpkin. Mine came this week, and it is, look at the box. It's just so adorable. I absolutely love this one. Really made me want to open it up right away and see what was inside. So you want a little sneak peek? Check it out. Okay. There's the little directions with the colors, colored pictures of all of the cards. As you know, some of you who have been subscribers in the past, there's directions on the inside. They really are kind of minimal because most of them you can just look at the front of it. And then the back kind of gives you some what's inside of it, what colors, what other things coordinate along with it. Okay. For those of you who have not been Paper Pumpkin subscribers in the past, Paper Pumpkin is a monthly kit that is mailed directly to your home. It's a great item to subscribe to right now, in particular, as we're all starting to be trapped in our houses and we still want to do some stamping. It's fast, quick, and easy. This particular kit comes with 12 cards, 3 different designs, and you get 4 of each one. So you want a sneak peek of what's inside? Where should I start? Let's see. How about the stamps? This particular kit was the 7-year anniversary. So it's a celebration kit. So we all got a free stamp set within it. The stamp set that comes with the kit is the word set. So it's got Let Love Grow. You are capable of amazing things. No matter the weather, we're in this together. Wishing you brighter days. Kind of all of these are perfect for right now and everything that's going on, and everybody's not always happy moods. So it's a great little thing to start sending out some cards to people. We've got clouds. We've got little, I don't know, dirt, speckles, some other little extra things, some raindrops, and a bunch of hearts on here. Okay. Then this month, like I said, normally you don't get this, but this month we got a free stamp set in here. It says, I believe in you. The gorgeous little boots. You can do plain colored ones, or you can do little flowered images. Little flower images here. We've got a basket full of flowers with flowers to go inside of it. We've got a little bunny. Oops, I have a pearl from another project on there. Let's see. And then we also have the door frame with some little flowers on it. So lots and lots of spring in this kit. Let's see, what else do we have here? Okay, here's our card bases. Like I said, these are note card size, and there are 4 of each one. So here's one. Oops, upside down. Here's one. And this one I absolutely love, the umbrella with the boots. Okay, wait till you see what they've done with it. Okay, then we also have a sheet of labels to go on. We've got circles, we've got banners, lots of word things to stamp on. I love this. We get a full sheet of dimensionals. It's regular dimensionals, it's big size dimensionals. It's not the little mini ones. So love, love, love this. You get all your adhesive. You don't have to have extra adhesive. You can, of course, if you have snail, use that. But these are little glue dots that have adhesive stuck onto the plastic, and then you just peel the backing off so that you can stick things together with that. We have a spool of, oh, it looks like maybe pear pizzazz and white twine. We have little raindrop and circle embellishments. You get a stamp, an ink pad inside of all of them. If you're a brand new subscriber, you also get a block, a size D block, which is this size, so it will cover all of the stamps within the image. It's not the thick one. It is a special Paper Pumpkin one that they throw in the first time you're a subscriber. Okay, get those out of the way. Let's see. Then we also have envelopes to match our cards. So we have stripes in petal pink, so saffron, and I think that's spruce. Okay, let's see. Then we also have 4 sheets of die cuts. So these little babies just pop right out. And then they have little insides that you pop out. Okay, look at how cute those little row of boots are. I absolutely love that one. Then there's big boots with flowers. There's little flowers and hearts and another pair of boots, galoshes, and an Easter bunny is what I kind of look at him. I guess it's really a spring bunny, but I think he's adorable. Okay. So I've already stopped and made up one of each of the cards so that you can see them. Like I said, they're in the directions pictures here, but seeing them real cards are huge. Look at this. I love this. We got raindrops. We got that row of boots, which I love. Of course, up on dimensionals. We've added twine. We have the words there. Here's some more boots and lots of flowers. Are you ready for the daffodils to be blooming? Let love grow. We've got our bunny and a heart. Oh, and I added some of the little embellishments right there. And then the other boot, we stamped clouds on here, added the words, put the round embellishments in the center of it. Quick and easy. These are up on dimensionals, the flowers added on. So very, very cute, fast, quick, and easy to put together. Finish this kit and you've got 12 little note cards to send out and kind of keep encouraging people as this coronavirus goes around. And we're trapped in the house with all our loved ones who we do like to spend time with, but also a great craft project or art project for the kids as they're sitting at home also. Deadline for signing up for the April Paper Pumpkin is April 10th, so you have a couple of weeks yet, but it would be a great thing to get started and have sent to your home. How would you like to stamp with me tomorrow? How about if I come on Facebook Live for any of you who are on Facebook, and I will do a Facebook Live, let's say at 12 o'clock. No, let's make it 1 o'clock. Let's get everybody through lunchtime. At 1 o'clock, I'll come on. We will stamp these 3 cards, and I will try to have some other alternatives done by then for you to share with you some other ways to use these same products, but not exactly the way Stampin' Up! Has designed. Okay? So we'll come back, and I will see you tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Thanks. Bye.